am a country servant, serving in the land, in a place they call New Hamilton, a grand old-fashioned town. 'Twas early in the morning, at the hour of 3, when I set off for Clady, the old grey mare and me. Cheeks as red as roses, eyes a bonny blue, dancing, dancing, pierced me through and through. She fairly won my fancy, stole away my heart, jogging along to Clady on the sour milk cart. In the corner of the street a bus I chanced to pass, and in the corner of the bus I spied a country lass. Says I, my pretty fair maid, come along with me, I'm going the road to Clady, the old grey mare and me. Cheeks as red as roses, eyes a bonny blue, dancing, dancing, pierced me through and through. She fairly won my fancy, stole away my heart, jogging along to Clady on the sour milk cart. Her up beside me, and on the cot she sat. I slipped an arm around her waist and soon began to chat. The weavers in the bushes, sweetly they did sing, the blackbirds and the thrushes, how they made a forest ring. Cheeks as red as roses, eyes a bonny blue, dancing, dancing, pierced me through and through. She fairly won my fancy, stole away my heart, jogging along to Clady on the sour milk cart. Cheeks as red as roses, eyes a bonny blue, dancing, dancing, pierced me through and through. She fairly won my fancy, stole away my heart, jogging along to Clady on the sour milk cart.